Hello everyone, my name's Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo IdeaCentre 310S-08IAP. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your motherboard. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your power cord. Okay, so I'm going to unscrew this screw here and this screw here to take off this panel. After that, you can grab this panel right here and pull it, and it releases. To get the front panel off, there's these 3 black clips. We're gonna pull out that one, pull out that one, pull out that one. Lift up the computer a little bit, and the front face can come off. As a general computer repair side note, guys, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools and supplies and replacement parts for this computer. To get this component up, to access the internal components, we're going to push on this blue tab. There's an arrow on the tab, also an arrow here on the metal. You're going to push that in, and then this pops up like that. And that releases your hard drive and gets you full access to this area. After gaining access inside, we have a variety of things attached to our motherboard. You have your fan right here. It plugs into the motherboard right there. As with any cords or cables in a computer, guys, try to avoid pulling on the cords themselves if at all possible. Just try to manipulate the plug. So when you're unplugging it, don't pull on the wires, pull on the actual plug. These cables here have a clip on that side. You push that clip and it comes out. After going around the board and unplugging everything, you're going to go after all the screws that are in the motherboard, and then you'll be able to take your motherboard up. I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you are going into your computer and you expose the thermal paste above your CPU to air for any reason, it does need to be reapplied. Once thermal paste has been separated and exposed to air, it's no longer as effective as it should be. When you're reapplying thermal paste, you want to clean all the old stuff off first. You don't want to put new paste on top of old paste. And when you're reapplying thermal paste, you don't want to put too much. If you put too much thermal paste down, it could end up locking heat in rather than facilitating its transport out. If you would like help with how to do that procedure, I will have a video link below in the description. It will show me dealing with an overheating laptop. And one of the things it'll show you is how to clean off all the old paste and reapply the proper amount of new thermal paste. And one quick note on the thermal paste, they're not all created equal. So the cheaper stuff will do a good job, but the more expensive thermal paste will generally do a better job. In that list I told you about below in the description with all the replacement parts and tools for this computer, I will include a couple different options. I'll include a cheaper thermal paste if money is a really big factor, but I will also include a little more expensive thermal paste that will do a better job. But that's the end of this instructional video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and share if it was, if you think it can help someone else. Feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content, or if you want to keep me on hand to answer any future questions. I do answer all questions at least a couple times a day. Remember though, if you do have a question, check out the FAQs in the description first. It could save you some time waiting for an answer. Thank you so much everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.